Absolutely. Preserving your kids' artwork while also minimizing clutter can be a fun and creative endeavor. Here are 5 ideas to help you make the most of their art. 1. Digital gallery. Take high-quality photos of each piece of art and create a digital gallery. 1. You can organize them by year or theme. 1. This way, you can easily access and share their creations without taking up physical space. 2. Art collage. Choose a selection of your kids' artwork and create a collage. 2. Cut out interesting shapes, patterns, and colors from different pieces and arrange them to form a visually appealing composition. 2. Then, frame the collage and hang it as a unique piece of art in your home. 3. Customized stationery. Scan or photograph the artwork and use it to create personalized stationery. 3. You can turn their drawings into notepads, greeting cards, or even custom wrapping paper. 3. This way, you can enjoy their art while sending thoughtful messages to friends and family. 4. Art book. Compile their artwork into a yearly or thematic art book. 4. Use online tools or local print shops to create a physical book that documents their creative journey. 4. Include anecdotes, captions, and stories about each piece for a personal touch. 5. Art transformation. Turn their artwork into functional items like tote bags, throw pillows, or even fabric wall art. 5. Many online services can help you print their designs onto various products, giving their art a new purpose while minimizing clutter. Remember, the key is to find a balance between preserving the sentimental value of the art and decluttering your space. Choose the ideas that resonate most with you and your kids, and enjoy the process of transforming their creations into something meaningful and useful.